All right, Coach Mark here. Welcome to the Applied Vision Softball Pitch Recognition web app. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the basic things that you will be able to find once you log into the app, some things to expect, and how you can hit the ground running with your first pitch recognition training. When you log in, one of the first things that you're going to notice is that the UI, the actual interface may look different. We'll be making changes quarterly, sometimes monthly, and then definitely throughout the year. So what you see in this tutorial may differ from what you see presently, but overall what you're going to expect is a members area where you'll have access to your account, your stats, where you stack up in the leaderboard, and then up-to-date new pitchers that we have, as well as specialized pitch recognition training, and then our speed training, and then lastly our Brickdust University Brickdust Professor training courses. So what we're going to do first is walk you through what each profile page tab looks like, what its use is, and how you can best implement it. So if you wanted to log into your account, what you're going to notice is in your account section, you're going to see your basic username, email, first name, last name, display name. So if you ever want to make any changes, change your password, etc., you can do so here, as well as cancel your account. Very simple, easy peasy. It's a click of a button. In the stats page, here you're going to see how your overall performance is on a day-to-day basis, how many logins, total times trained, sessions completed, etc. You'll also be able to see what your reaction time is in milliseconds. You can keep an eye on that in the leaderboard as well. And then your pitches and how you perform off of each pitch. You'll be able to see your percentage correct based off of the actual quiz training that we'll have in the back end. In the leaderboard section, you're going to see the top 5 in each category. So the total login days, most sessions completed, highest accuracy, reaction time, milliseconds. Your name is going to be, if you're not in the top 5, your name is going to be in red, so where you stack up. So for example, I'm in the 41st place compared to all the other members here in the Applied Vision app. And then you'll see the same thing in the highest accuracy, most sessions completed, etc. Below that is the overall leaderboard and where you stack up with every single user in the app, so you can see how your performance stacks up against other users. If you happen to be part of a team, you can actually filter teams by just typing in the first 3 letters of the team that you have logged in. So for example, if I wanted to just see this team right here, you can see I'll just have PVH filtered, and then every single member that's within that team will pop up. You can also filter by highest to lowest in terms of reaction. So you can see here, if you click on this arrow here, you can see the lowest to highest or highest to lowest, and you can do that with every single category, as well as sessions. You can do accuracy, fastball, slider, etc. Let's go back to the members area. So let's go ahead and look at what it looks like when you start your first pitch recognition training. So for example, I clicked on Lily here, a left-handed pitcher. Below her name, you're going to see a scouting report, basic scouting report. So for example, works locations in all parts of the zone, keeps hitters off balance. So it gives you a little bit of intel as you begin your training. So below that, you're going to have 3, as for now, you're going to have 3 varying difficulty levels. You're going to have beginner, which is going to be a full view binary yes or no. Very, very simple. Yes or no as in swing or don't swing. You're going to have your easy, which is full view, and then you'll be forced to choose what type of pitch it is. And then you'll have your occlusion training, which we'll touch on in a bit, but that's basically our hardest mode, where you're going to get a limited view of the actual pitch footage. So let's actually start with the beginner's mode, and we'll give you an idea of what that looks like. So in the beginner's mode, I'm going to click start here, and then as we begin, I'm going to click the play button, and then the pitcher is going to go through their windup. You're going to see a full view of what that was, but you're going to make a binary decision, a yes or no swing, based on whether that pitch was in the strike zone or not. Boom, I'm going to go with yes. I got that one correct. Let's do another one. Boom. Got that one correct. That one got the corner. That's definitely a strike. Once you get the hang of it, you're gonna definitely want to just move on to the harder difficulties. Ooh, that's a close one. I'm gonna go with. Ooh, that's a tough one. So what you'll see is after the pitch recognition sequence is done, you'll have three choices. You can either look at your pitch by pitch breakdown to see what your performance was. Mine was not too good. I got 3 out of 6. You can see which ones were correct, which ones weren't. I can close it out. I can restart the pitch sequence so I can face the same pitcher, or I could go to the choose new drill, which will take me back to the members area portal where I can choose a new pitcher. All right, so let's actually go to, let's see, let's do Stacy, and we will do a easy. So this is a little bit more difficult than the beginner's drill. This is not binary. So as you can see here, I'm going to have different pitches that I can choose from, as well as the balls or strikes. Boom, that looks like a fastball strike. Ooh, that was a rise ball strike. Okay, that was close. That was a curveball ball. Yes, I got that one right. Ooh, that's a curveball ball. That was a little bit out of the zone. Might have caught that corner, but okay, I'm gonna go with the curveball strike. Got that one. All right, so I just fast forwarded to the end of this. We can see another breakdown of how my performance was. That was much better. 7 out of 10. Definitely made the adjustment there. So that was the full view beginners difficulty level. One of the greatest benefits that you're going to get out of this pitch recognition training is the occlusion training, which is the hard mode. And the reason why this is so effective is because you're going to be forced to recognize and reinforce proper pitch recognition skills regarding pitch speed, spin speed, and location by forcing yourself to find out what that pitch is as early as possible. So right after release point, boom, you'll see that the screen shuts off right after release point. So we're talking about anywhere between 4 to 5 frames after release point, the screen shuts off. So that looks like a screwball ball. I got that one right. So as you can see, the occlusion training is really forcing you to judge balls and strikes, pitch types, with the least amount of information as possible to help you exercise and demonstrate proper pitch recognition skills at release point. Let's go with, yeah, that was strike on the outside corner. Let's go with one more. Boom, drop ball away. Oh, I got that one wrong. So that was a fastball away ball. So the occlusion method is great because it's going to help, like I said, it's going to help you in recognizing early pitch recognition, which is one of the core benefits inside of the Applied Vision pitch recognition training app.